Welcome to 3838 25th Street here in North Arlington, just minutes from DC. Come join us for a tour today of this beautiful and expanded Cape Cod.
Over $450,000 worth of remodeling in this magnificent home. Upgraded stainless steel appliances by Genair, a 6-burner gas stove, a wall of cabinets for the ultimate storage, a wonderful island with a breakfast bar and an undermount sink. The original Cape Cod isolated the kitchen. This unique design opens it up for your dining experience.
Off of the kitchen, you have the great room, which is truly inspiring with a gas fireplace, walls of windows, even going out to your patio, and the cathedral ceiling, which brings in additional light with the extra windows. Beyond the great room, as you move into the library or office area, I want to show you this architectural design that's not common. This is featuring a lay light, which is optimal for bringing in natural light to this cozy environment.
This Cape Cod has a full bath on the main level, along with 2 generously sized bedrooms. The primary bedroom upstairs has ample space, 4 large windows, and 2 closets along with the hardwood flooring. The second level has an additional bedroom with a full bath down the hall. The lower level includes a large rec room with 2 living areas, utility space, and your full bath with the steam shower. Off the great room is your patio, along with a deck right outside of your dining room. Can you imagine living in North Arlington and having not only this home on its lot, you also get a second parcel along with the sale? We hope you enjoyed the video today. Please reach out to the Nellis Group for your own private tour.